Now we are going to prepare multi-purpose cleaner or premium quality soap oil. Today our batch size will be 1 liter. I have taken all the materials. Let us start the process. First I am charging RO water. Then I am charging acid slurry. The details of quantity I have given in PDF formula. After adding the acid slurry, I am blending properly. Each and every time after the addition of any materials, the blending is essential. Now I am adding lye solution. I am adding slowly, little by little. My target pH is 7 to 8. So exactly after getting the pH at 7 to 8, I will stop the lye addition. It is a slow process. It will take time, but we need to do it properly. Then I am charging SLS powder. While charging the SLS powder, care should be taken. It is dusty particles. So safety equipment like goggles, mask are essential. Then I am adding SLES. So for now we have added 3 surfactants: acid slurry, SLS powder, SLES. All are powerful anionic surfactants. Now we are going to charge CAPB. This is amphoteric surfactant. In this stage, now I am charging perfume. Then I am charging Alphax 200. It is playing multi-role. The important roles are, it is a non-ionic surfactant, one thing, and another thing is it is a wetting agent. This is sodium sulfate. I have dissolved in water. Here I am not getting clear transparent solution because my sodium sulfate is commercial quality sodium sulfate, commercial grade. So I am filtering it before charging. This is mixture of some chemicals. I mean EDTA, sodium citrate, baking soda and washing soda. To achieve superior cleaning performance, surfactants alone not sufficient. The role of builders and complexing agents are unavoidable. This is hydrogen peroxide solution. My hydrogen peroxide's concentration is 6% solution. Either we can charge hydrogen peroxide in this stage or after the addition of color and preservative also we can add hydrogen peroxide. I prefer adding hydrogen peroxide as final material because if it is any decolorization then I can find it out. Now I am adding color solution. For multi-purpose cleaner or soap oil, we can add any one of the color like pink or rose or red or yellow. Now I am adding preservative. This is phenoxyethanol. And finally I am adding hydrogen peroxide. So once again I am blending properly, thoroughly. Once again we will ensure the pH. It should be 7 to 8. By mistake, if any deviation means we can adjust pH in this stage. If pH is more than 8 means we can add half gram or 1 gram of citric acid. If pH is less than 7 means we can add 1 ml of triethanolamine. Now the process is over. Let us allow it to settle for 24 hours. Now 24 hours over. It is very clear and transparent. We will check the consistency. Now I will transfer the multipurpose cleaner into the glass beaker. This is very clear and transparent and the thickness also very good. Now we will discuss how to and where to use this multipurpose cleaner. Even though it is not a gel-like structure, it is highly concentrated form. So we will dilute it before cleaning process. Better we will take it in a spray bottle. Dilution is our choice. It depends upon the extent of the dirt. we can dilute 1:1, I mean 1 part multipurpose cleaner with 1 part water, or up to 10 parts 1 part multipurpose cleaner with 9 parts of water. So any dilution is okay. It is our choice, depends upon the extent of the dirt. If it is kitchen stove or the tiles in front of the stove, means we need to dilute with less amount of water. So we can spray the liquid gently over the surface and wipe it with wet cloth. So instantly we can remove the dirt. And also we can clean fridge, washing machine, switchboards, plastic tables, everywhere, literally wherever we find the dirt. And also we can use this multipurpose cleaner as a preliminary washing purpose. I mean, for industrial uniforms or mechanical workshops, automobile industries, the uniforms are with so much of oil and dirt particles. So we can use it for washing purpose of that type of cloths. And also we can use it for generally the washing of vessels, floor cleaning purpose, floor washing purpose, generally in all the cleaning activities. If you want to use this formula for business purpose, just do a trial batch, check the quality by yourself, and also check the quality, get feedback from others like third persons or your customers, and also purchase one branded soap oil or multipurpose cleaner from supermarket and compare the quality with it, and at least for 1 month study the shelf life and the storage conditions. If everything okay, means if you are satisfied, then you can use this formula for your business purpose.